Hello everyone, my name is Raed, and in today's video we're going to be learning how we can escalate our privileges using the tar function of Linux and also use anonymous FTP logins to gain access to the victim server and extract all the files we need. So here I spawn the machine up, it takes a little time, and also perform an nmap scan for easy. Now what we've got here is that port 21 is open, that's the FTP, and port 22, that's the SSH, and also port 80. Now we don't have any much interesting thing to do in port 80 because it's just a simple web browser and nothing much interesting in the page source or not even the robot.txt. All we need to do over here is the FTP. Here, as you can see, it says anonymous FTP logins are allowed. Now, what are anonymous FTP basically? These are some, suppose I'm the victim. I'll give you an example. I'm the victim and I have an FTP server running on my system. This is my system, FTP server is running, and I've allowed anonymous logins to come into my system and do whatever they want to do. Now, what an attacker can do with this? He can do very scary stuff. What if suppose I write FTP and the victim IP, it says me to specify username. Now what I can do as an attacker, either of the username or password I can enter anonymous. Suppose in place of username I enter anonymous and password should be John. It will still give me access to the machine, or if I enter username as John and password is anonymous, again it will give me access to the machine. Now let's see what it does here. See, I've given anonymous over here as the username and login is successful. Now this is how anonymous logins are done. Let me clear up this thing. Yeah. We have got the logs.txt and task.txt. What current working directory is okay, let's get these files into the attacker system. It's completed, and also the task.txt. Clear doesn't work here. Bye. Now we have got three files. Scan.txt is the nmap scan, logs.txt and task.txt is from the victim FTP server. Let's see what it holds. First of all, task.txt. Number 1, protect wishes. Number 2, plan for Raed, I pick up on the moon. Written by Lynn. Okay, so this is what the Try Hack Me platform asks us. The first question is that who wrote this task list? It's Lynn. So this can be a hint of username. Let's see, and also get the logs.txt. Okay, it contains some information and it looks like a password word list. And we know username, and we've also got the password word list. Now the best tool over here is Hydra. Let's try Hydra. Username is Lynn. Password is in the logs.txt. You need to brute force it, Hydra. And IP protocol is SSH. Now let's wait for it to finish. Okay, we are back on, and as you can see, it has successfully cracked the password of SSH. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, SSH host is the victim IP that I specified over here, and login username is Lynn. Password is Red Dragon Syndicate. This is the second question. The second question that TryHackMe asked us. That what's the user's password? It's Red Dragon Syndicate. Now basically what we need to do is SSH into the machine 10.10.1.2020. I mean 220. Yeah. Yes, and password is Red Dragon Syndicate. Yeah. Now we have successfully got SSH on this machine. Congratulations. We have got the first flag. Also user.txt, phm, that's a TryHackMe Crime Syndicate. Here as you can see, user.txt, phm Crime Syndicate. Now what's the root.txt over here? Now this is the phase where tar comes in action. Let's see what normal user can run with sudo. Specify the password, another password, or yeah. Okay, so the normal user can run bin tar, that's the tar function, by using sudo /bin tar. Okay, he can run it, and I know the perfect website where there's a payload for this, GTFO bins. And this is a great site where you can find any reverse shell payloads or privilege escalation payload, uh, about anything, like if you need sudo, suid, file upload, reverse shells, anything. What I need here is called the tar, and tar I need sudo. Okay, here's the payload. If the binary is allowed to run as super user by sudo, it does not drop the elevated privileges and may be used to access the file system, escalate or maintain privileged access. This is the perfect payload. You can copy this and paste, and voila, we have got the the root access. Let's check out ID. Yeah, root. I have got you. PWD. Let's try cding into root. Okay, there's a gas.txt. Okay, so this is a last and final flag called the THM bounty hacker. Here, as you can see, root.txt bounty hacker. So this is it for our video today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.